What's up everybody, Jerry with Dip and Rip Trading here with another AMC update video. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. If you have any comments or suggestions or questions, just leave them in that comment section below. Let's get it started. All right, so with AMC today, we pretty much finished net neutral on the day. Let me fix this. So we started out pretty much on a downward trend right out the gate this morning. And then we bounced off of that $20 or $29.40 mark. And then we just started rebounding from there. Now, from what I could tell, a lot of the market kind of reacted the same way. There was pretty much a sell-off up until the point where we hit lunch hour, and then everything started rebounding. And a lot of the stuff finished pretty much net neutral on the day. I think AMC was down, not a whole lot, maybe even less than 1%, or even right at 1% on the day. Where I kind of see us tomorrow, so hopefully we can bounce off this ascending level of support right here. What I'd like to really see us hit is, so we have a level of resistance right here, right at about $32.15 or so. So I'd like to see us get a breakthrough from there. We do have a previous level that we need to break through as well, that 31.95 mark. And then if we can get a clean break from there and then continue, obviously next would be that $32 range, and then up to around $35 or so. So hopefully we can get some volume. I know it's been kind of tough, especially with the volume being so low here recently, so that's been a little difficult to see. But it's definitely reassuring to see us be able to bounce off that $29 range, and then just build a new set of upward momentum there. So definitely something to keep an eye on for tomorrow. Real quick, let me jump over. So currently still, now that, again, this is obviously with the after hours, but the 15 MA is still trading over that 200 EMA, which is good to see. It still favors the bulls. And then we are just trading below the VWAP, which, as I said in the past in my previous videos, a lot of the times when we're able to curl up and break over that VWAP, especially if we can have a new trend continuation where we have a follow through in volume for, I want to say, at least 5 minutes or so, we do typically see a spike in volatility. That has been the going trend for AMC. So ideally, if we can get that and then have a follow through with volume, we might see a green day tomorrow. So again, it's not a guarantee, so please take everything I say with a grain of salt, because I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is just solely for entertainment purposes only. Let's see here. And then on the downside, so hypothetically, if we don't continue that upward momentum, let me clear this real quick. Where I could see us going down to, man, my Weeble desktop has been acting up lately. There we go. All right, so where I could see us dipping down to, where's my rectangle? There we go. All right, so again, typically AMC likes to hover within that 50 to 61.8% retracement zone. So if we do get a rejection off of that level of resistance, and we do have kind of a break downwards, AMC typically will stay within this zone right here. Now in the past I have seen it to where we have dipped under that, but it's pretty rare. Just based on previous trends, a vast majority of the time AMC just bounces off that 61.8% retracement and then we'll go up from there. So this is just kind of what I'm saying. I mean, ideally we could get as low as just over or just under $30.70 if that were to happen tomorrow. So anywhere between that $30.69 to $31.09 tomorrow, if we do not have a continuation up. So that's just kind of what I'm seeing here. And again, there could be, a catalyst that's unforeseen that could either cause this thing to rocket or could cause this thing to go under what previous trends have indicated in the past. So that is something that obviously we have no way to predict or forecast. The other thing I will say too is the RSI is kind of hovering almost in the middle, it looks like. So we're hovering around the 50 point range. Let's see on the minute. Yeah, we're hovering around 57.83 on the RSI, 56 here, 49 on the 1 hour, 44 on the 4. So that is good to see. It's definitely something that we need to keep an eye on with that RSI, especially if we get some sort of bullish divergence. A lot of the time when you start to see the RSI start to trend upward and the stock is moving sideways, a lot of the time that means that buyers are stepping back in, and it's a good way to read upcoming momentum during the intraday. So anyway, so if you guys need anything, have any questions, definitely feel free to drop it in that comment section. Other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow.